Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin coming to you today with a quick Credit Lady gem. So tomorrow, Saturday morning at 11 a.m., I'm doing a free Credit to Wealth workshop. It's not a free credit workshop only, it's a free Credit to Wealth workshop because I'm all about helping people take their lives to the next level when it comes to their credit, their money, and their finances, right? We want to go to the next level. So I'm in a few different Lux groups for women. And those luxury groups are designed for women who like to live a certain lifestyle. And that's an amazing thing. But I also see women in there who will ask the question, so what do you ladies do in order to create this lifestyle? And people do many different things. But I want to show you how to unlock it in a way where you're learning how to attract that money to you, where you're learning how to design a lifestyle that you want to live, and you're learning to get your money working for you instead of you always having to work for your money. And you can learn how to use credit to do that as well, how to leverage credit. So let's have a conversation tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go to creditladyzoom.com to reserve your seat. Space is limited, so don't delay. Again, creditladyzoom.com, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning.